Himanta Biswa Sarma on Wednesday submitted his resignation to Assam Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya at Lok Bhavan in Guwahati following the BJP-led NDA's hat-trick victory in the Assam Assembly elections. Speaking to reporters after tendering his resignation, Sarma said that he and his council of ministers had stepped down in keeping with democratic traditions and submitted their resignation to the governor, who accepted it. He added that the governor has also allowed the outgoing government to continue in a caretaker capacity until a new chief minister and council of ministers are appointed. Sarma expressed gratitude to the governor for his guidance over the past 5 years and reiterated the government's support during the transition period.
आज मैं असम के महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय को साक्षात किया और गणतांत्रिक परंपरा को पालन करते हुए मैं और मेरा काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स दोनों का पदत्याग पत्र महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय का सामने उपस्थित करवाया। साथ में हमारे जो विधानसभा है उसको भी भंग करने के लिए मैं महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय को परामर्श दिया। मेरा पदत्याग पत्र, मेरा मंत्रिसभा की पदत्याग पत्र दोनों राज्यपाल महोदय ने स्वीकार किया और राज्यपाल महोदय ने असम विधानसभा को भी भंग कर दिए। जब तक नया मुख्यमंत्री का शपथ नहीं होते हैं, जब तक नया मंत्रिसभा का गठन नहीं होते हैं, तब तक मुझे और मेरा मंत्रिसभा को केयरटेकर रूप से काम चलाने के लिए राज्यपाल महोदय ने निर्देश दिया। बीते 5 साल सरकार चलाने में हमारे राज्यपाल महोदय ने हमें जो मार्गदर्शन किया, इसके लिए भी मैं राज्यपाल महोदय को धन्यवाद और हमारा ओर से राज्यपाल महोदय को हमने अपना ग्रेटिट्यूड भी प्रस्तुत किया। कुछ अगर आप लोगों का क्वेश्चन you see Sri J.P. Nadda and Sri Naib Singh Saini both have been appointed as an observer by our National President Sri Nitin Nabinji. Who will be the Chief Minister, who will be the next leader, will be decided by the Legislature Party, and following the meeting of the Legislature Party, BJP and NDA will come back to this Lok Bhavan again and will stake claim to form a government. But leader of the Legislature Party is yet to be selected, so we should wait for the process to be completed. There are indications that vote will be post 11th of May, because we invited Honorable Prime Minister to kindly grace the swearing-in ceremony of our government this time, because we are not only win with a century, but along with that we also deliver a hat-trick. So a hat-trick with century, that is why we have invited Honorable Prime Minister to grace the occasion. However, the indication from his office that it will be possible only after 11th of May. Already central observers has been appointed, but they have not yet indicated the date. But I am sure that there will be oath in Bihar, there will be oath in Bengal. So a chronology will be followed, a sequence will be followed. So let us wait for today or tomorrow. By today evening or tomorrow, everything will be clear.